Budget iPhone 9 is ready to launch. Apple is preparing to begin mass production of the low-cost iPhone SE 2. Many call it the 9th iPhone, in February. The start of sales is planned for March. This will be the first budget smartphone of the company after the release of iPhone SE in 2016. The assembly of new items will be engaged in companies such as Han High Precision Industry, Pegatron, and Wistron. It is expected that the smartphone will receive a case like the iPhone 8 with a screen diagonal of 4.7 inches. A single main camera and Touch ID, activated using the home button. The price of the gadget is not yet called. Representatives of Apple declined to comment, reports Gadgets 360. Earlier, new details about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It is expected that the smartphone will receive an enlarged camera and will become much thinner. There was information about the release dates of the news. iPhone 12 Pro Max is expected in September 2020.